Hello, I'm in a 2011 Mazda CX-9 and today I'm going to show you how to set up Passcode. What the Passcode does is it'll lock your features for voice connectivity. That way someone would need a 4-digit password to be able to access adding phones and doing different features like that. So I won't be able to talk too much during it since it's prompted for listening, but what I'll do is I'll go through the help feature so you can hear the type of help option that it asks for. So I'm going to turn the vehicle on. Right now I don't have a passcode set up, so we'll set it up. I'll show you what it does when it's set up, and then I'll show you how to turn it off. So I'm going to use these buttons over here to access it. Should work for your model if you have a Mazda with similar settings like this. You can push either of these. Help.
Not available. Would you like to connect to another paired phone now?
No. Okay, so when I said help, it thought I was asking for phone names, so this time we just won't say anything.
Available options are call, dial, redial, phone book, emergency, voice training, tutorial, or setup, or say cancel to exit.
Setup.
Select one of the following. Pairing options. Confirmation prompts. Select phone, language, or passcode.
Passcode.
Passcode is disabled. Would you like to enable it?
Yes.
Please say a 4-digit passcode. Remember this passcode. It will be required to use this system.
1111.
Passcode 1111. Is this correct?
Yes.
Passcode is enabled. Returning to main menu. Available options are...
Okay, so I'll turn it off because we set up the prompt for this video already. So what it'll do now is, like how when we first started, when I said something, it tried to automatically connect to a phone. Now it's going to prompt for a passcode first before any of those options will work. So I'll show you here. And then I'll also walk through how to get rid of that, because maybe yours has a passcode on it that you don't know, or don't want anyways. If you don't know it, then you have to find who set it up so you can get the 4-digit number. Otherwise, it might be something you have to talk to the Mazda dealership about, see if they have a way to reset it, kind of override the system. So anyways, this is what it's like when it has the passcode. All these should bring you to it.
Hands-free system is locked. State the passcode to continue.
1111.
Available options are call,
so that worked.
dial,
so that
redial,
logged me in.
phone book,
And if it's really
emergency,
quiet for some
voice
reason
training,
too,
tutorial,
you can turn the
or
volume
setup,
up
or say cancel
or down
to exit.
with your volume options. So if you weren't able to hear very well in this or whatever, this would be how you do it. But anyways, yeah, I walked through going either direction with that passcode. Probably not a feature you'd use too often, but you never know. It might make sense for some people's lifestyle. But anyways, I hope this was helpful and useful, and if it was, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe. But otherwise, I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.